In 2026, the gap between having a great idea and launching a live product website is exactly 5 minutes. And today I'm proving exactly that by creating a website using MeDo AI. We are building a full stack multi page travel score completely from scratch. All you need to do is describe your website in plain English, and that's it. So let's dive in. Start off by going to medo.dev. In here, you can either go ahead, describe your idea, and then log in, or log in first so the whole process goes on seamlessly. So right now, I'm going to click on this login button and I'm going to choose sign in with Google option. It's that simple. And you get 100 free credits, which will be enough to create an application to test out this website. So here we go. This is where you describe the idea of the website that you want to create. And I did exactly that. I've described the website that I want to generate. It should help users search for location according to the vibe. And when they click on the result, it should take them to the dedicated detail page. Apart from that, I even want authentication that lets users save spots into their private dashboard. Pretty simple, right? But wait for it. You see this button right here, it optimizes your prompt. Even though you add in some vague and small prompt mentioning just the features that you want, you can go ahead, click on this prompt optimization, and it took a 4-line prompt and turned into a fully detailed guideline for the AI, which is just perfect. It has mentioned all the different tech stack as well, like for front end, it has to use React, for backend, Django, or Node.js, which is simply perfect. It literally helps us to build our website more efficiently. Let's talk about the different modes we have here. First off, we have deep build or fast build. It depends on you whether you want quality or do you want to spend less time on the build. I would suggest to keep deep build if you're trying to create more complicated website, which is what we are doing in our case. So I'll leave it at that. Now this upload option is for you to upload any files which are related to the program or the project. It can be your product images, catalog, etc, but we don't have anything like such, so I'm going to leave that. Next, you have plugins. These are the most unique feature that MeDo has to offer. It lets you decide and integrate multiple plugins into your website right from the beginning. Instead of going around and asking it to do it later, you can simply select and choose any of the plugins right away, and you have certain different options. Like these are all plugins. You can go to discover to find other new plugins, and if you want, you can stick to your plugins by creating new plugins of your own. So I'm going to go to all plugins and choose the one that I like, and here we have it. The AI search and the web search plugins are what we are going to be using to search for places that match our vibe. As you can see, both of them are added to our prompt. Lastly, you can also select the style of the website that you are going for. You have a few different options to choose from. This will display the different styles like minimal, dark, editorial, etc, etc. Now I want my website to look like this one right here, so I'm choosing that. Lastly, all we have to do is hit enter and wait for it to start the generation. Now, this is what sets MeDo AI apart from other website generator. It doesn't jump straight into creation, rather it creates a requirement.md which lays out all the different features and the details of the website beforehand. So if you have any changes, you can go ahead, edit this requirement, and then go on and generate the application so that you don't have to iterate again and again after you get the output. But as of now, I don't have any changes to my requirement.md, so I'm going to start the generation of application by clicking on this button right here. Okay, so here's the result. This is what our website looks like right now. I've opened it in a new chat. This is the app finished in MeDo. Now let's test it out. First off, we have this sign in button right here where you can sign in or sign up first and then sign in, which is what we are going to do. So now I've created an account and using the same credentials, I can go ahead and sign in, which takes me in my dashboard. Now back in my homepage, I can go ahead search for any of the places, and here they have given us a feature of our website. Now let's choose one of these options, right? So, a cozy rainy cafe. Now, this is the issue we have. We will have to add in our Google Place API key where the MeDo AI has asked us to do. So, you can go ahead, enter in your API key if you have one, and submit it. And there we go. Now we have different location and suggestion for cozy cafes. And if I click on any of these, it will open up a detailed preview section which rates the vibe of the cafe or the place that you're looking for. It also gives address, hours, and a few reviews of the place as well. Now you can go ahead, save these places to your favorites, and if you go back to your vibe check dashboard and in your profile, if you click on dashboard, it will show you your save favorite spaces, which is literally perfect. Other than that, if in your app you have any of edits to make or you want some changes, you can simply click on this edit button right here and choose any of the element of your page that you want to make changes to. Like right now I want to change this background color to something lighter like this, and the foreground color to, let's say, something else as well. So I can go ahead, add that into this box right here, and if I hit send, it will change the color of that specific text. And check this out. All the changes that we made are now implemented, as well as the changing of this color. Perfect. Lastly, it is fully responsive. So if you switch to a mobile view, your application will still be working just fine. And to actually make it live, you can go ahead, click on this publish button. If you have any custom domain, you can add it over here, or else you can simply click on this publish now button. But for that, you'll either require more credits or a paid plan. But don't worry, you can always download the code from over here. And if you want a deeper dive into what's actually going on inside your application, you can go ahead, visit these pages right here, which gives you document, which is the requirement document. This one gives you the code, which will give you the directory of all the codes that were used. Next, you have plugins like the LLM plugin that was added to search places, after which you have backend services, which will give you the database tables where all the information have been stored, and data analysis will give you the analysis dashboard of your published application. But for that, again, you'll have to publish your application first. So isn't that great? A full stack website ready within, I'd say, less than 10 minutes with functioning backend, databases, and ability to publish it. I don't know what you're waiting for, but this is your sign to implement the idea that you have been thinking about. Comment down what you built using MeDo AI, and I'll see you in the next one.